Hi, I'm Dr. Nathan Heimgartner from Spinal Care of St. Louis, and I'm here with
Coach Corey from Xtra Mile Fitness. And Dr. Nathan, we often get people either coming in for the first time at the gym or longtime members that complain about low back tightness or sometimes even like pain down their leg. What would the symptom or what would that be? And B, how could they relieve that pain and improve it?
Yeah, absolutely. Something I see a lot in the office is something called piriformis syndrome. And there's a muscle actually that runs from the outside of your femur here all the way to your sacrum. And your sciatic nerve comes out through this notch and goes down your leg. So what happens a lot of times is that muscle will get tight and pinch the sciatic nerve a little bit, and that'll cause some of that sciatic pain down your leg. And usually what starts that is your SI joint's not moving correctly, so it throws off the biomechanics of your low back and your hips there, and it makes that piriformis mad, basically. And so what we do a lot of times, we'll do chiropractic adjustments, and I'll do some stretching in the office, but I also recommend some at-home stretches.
Perfect.
One that's great is a figure four. You can do it seated, like if you just put your knee, yep, exactly, and then you kind of just lean forward just a little bit, and you'll get a really good stretch in the piriformis
right back
muscle.
here.
Exactly. Perfect. And you can do that laying down too. Real simple exercise. Just bring your knee up just the same way and reach through and pull. Perfect. Excellent. And a really good one, if you have a partner that can help you out, a really good stretch on that piriformis muscle is if you push across the opposite shoulder and then you have them hold your knee and you push your knee into the chest and then just have them relax and you kind of push the stretch a little bit more. And then we do it again and a little bit more. And I usually recommend going through that motion 3 times on both sides.
Awesome.
Just kind of make sure everything's balanced and evened out.
Perfect. And then
Awesome.
Is there a certain, so they do these once a day, twice a day? What do you kind of recommend?
I usually recommend once a day and do, like I said, 3 times through that exercise. But you can hold any of those stretches for about 10 seconds and
Perfect.
It really releases everything.
Awesome. No, that'd be great for the people we see and heck, even for myself.
Awesome. If you guys have any questions or would like to go over anything else, contact me at Spinal Care of St. Louis or Coach Corey at Xtra Mile Fitness.
Thank you, sir.